He say make I help am find customer for where me dey because me dey the Tori no me dey Alexandra. Come say me help am find customer. Now come say okay. They carry all these things they go as. Now come help am find customer because the way me take keep my integrity for where I dey, people they respect me. I never take person thing one day since when I take on this country. Now I come find people for am. One of the people when I find for am, I be one brother. The brother don't even contact you self. Only say you say you don't fair give I think you don't fair give another presenter when they close to you. So you can say you know fit treat the case. So he even call me, be like, nah, what they call the other of your brother when they in Nigeria now? I don't know his name. If I remember his name, I'll go tell you.
Social media person.
Yeah, na him. He don't even call me for this case. So I can't use and know these people. 2017, the brother come meet me. He come tell me say, the person when I use and know, he don't carry his 6,005. I say carry your money. I go carry your money. I can't try call this his brother. Meanwhile, this time when they carry all this friendship come, my brother, we they play, we they do everything together, me with his brother. Oh. Even when I want to go Nigeria, that 214, I leave my car for her. You understand? So we don't get quarrel. So me, I don't know say that they come for something because anytime when your family come meet me, they must put me for problem. But me, my free man, they follow them. I don't know say they want buy me. So now come introduce this brother. He tell me say the 6,005 loss. Now come say okay. I manage. He do. That's okay. I can't call the one when I born for say see what they happen. No. Your brother don't carry person money for you. The person they come they disturb me. Make he call him mother, can't call him mama, can't tell him mother, say see what they happen. He should be there about 218, 219. Now I can't take call him mama. I beg this brother they disturb me. I even thought to the brother say you leave me for this matter. The brother say na me use and know. You understand? Because you get the one way be one fair carry. I can't tell the brother say if you give her anything again, you are on your own. But the brother can't tell me say na me use and know, na me use and know. You know why you're here, they disturb me. So as I can't give her to his mother, me can't say his mama rest. His mama don't settle the matter. You understand? I give the number. After some time, anyway I pass again. They'll say this brother they find me. I think since 2023. If they find me, I'll say what did they find me for? A person will stop me. They'll say he say I dey owe. He say we carry money run. I say me. I go carry money run. I not carry money run. So me con the verse. I don't feel like I follow the man whole grant. Follow and quarrel. Say leave me alone for this money matter. The brother say whether me like or not. He no go leave me. So one day we get African shop where they near my place. The woman can still call me. Boys food there that day. They call they ask me say see this thing. I tell the boy say I can't explain to that. If you hear my voice, like crack. I can't explain to them. Say, see the one I do. This brother don't tire. I don't introduce her to their mama. Now the brother, now they call okay. Make I call the man. Make the ask her waiting they find for my body. They can't call her. Now the brother can tell me so okay. You know they draw me the money, but me I give her their information to take garden. Their picture, anything to take garden. I say they don't give you money. Why they disturb me? He said the mother of the one I born for so they cause her. Now so the woman still take do me, take pursue me, and I was very young, sir. I know this man when I was 20. This woman for Nigeria go they use juju everything they threaten me as I small rich. I have to leave. You understand? He said they cause her. He said this Uji so they causing too. The wife they causing too. All of them block her. And the funniest thing, they can't still block me, brother. After they don't give this guy money, they constantly they block me. Now one day I even jam me wife for my city here. When he can't say something for store, when me use and introduce her to. I can't tell her say you see they come here. And he say yeah. I said so you know they ask of me again. He say God. He say God know why. I can't they look on. So as I can't call the people can't call the brother. They can't say okay. Now everybody can't they ask me say wait to. All these people will do you this thing. Not be that man will not train your children. I can't say yes. Now you they hide their thing. People leave you for debt. They not give you the money. They not talk to. They cause the man and they not say this brother of his see you. They hide. They leave you put. Why you go they hide their picture? I can't say, okay, people can't advise me for that shop that I can't decide. I can't say, okay, I go give you. But picture when I go get, if it be the old days, oh, because now since, let's say 21 years, now I don't come up for their hand.
Wait, since 31 years, only one the trip
Oh,
again.
let me not trade the children, sir. No be even let that one, oh. You go tire when you hear story, oh.
From Bele.
I leave the man when my first son dey a year and 7 months. He senior the girl with a year and 3 months. Only me, now I just carry this thing. These people, they don't mind me. Now me, this boy, so now me even carry and come. He carry himself, go drop himself for Nigeria. I use $6,500 carry and come abroad. After 7 months, now we leave each other.
Wait, I beg. You leave your baby father when your first son dey a year and 7 months.
Yes, sir.
You can't go back to them, go born the second pikin.
We no settle. No be say I go back to run. Just I know they follow them. I just forget wetin don pass. We just still dey play like that. No say Bini go say you don bump for there. Me and your feel say na just normal, maybe we young that time, now we dey quarrel, or normal people fit quarrel. Me no know say their own na another thing. If you hear my voice for the past more than 1 month now, sir, I know they okay. This thing when I dey do, so it's my first time. I never do this kind of thing once. But I'm forced to. I don't know what they find. I don't know whether they want buy my life. I don't know what they find from me. You understand? So when I come reach us, this brother can use social media president to call me. As he call me, social media president call, they ask me questions. Say, where these people? Now me introduce this brother, make I go breathe the call. Now cause he explain to her. He call, they tell me, say I go say I don't get their number. Now say, sir, I don't get their number. As he explain, as I have to tell and say, sir, these people where you they see so, they not help me train children. Now let me train. A pa converse. He said, why? He said, now this kind of people we will need to they carry come out. I can't say, pa, no be that one also. As we see the money, na be problem. You understand? So after that call, as the city advised me, I can't give this brother. This brother when he take the money, he know if picture, but he no clear because now 20 years ago, his wife on clear, then his mama on clear, and na me give them that one. I can't there ask, he can't call me saying they Yuri platform. Me, I can't explain myself. Wetin I never do before, I was forced to come out. As they call me, they ask me question. Now I still explain myself, say, I know, see the way I know it. They can't say me, they describe the woman. Make people wait they Tori no, make them for call them out. If I can't really they describe her. That is the wife of this person. Because now she really come to me, say me I help your husband. Because she was a friend to me even before I know this man when I born. You hear? So now so we can't take do one more. Now they ask me for your platform, say bring their number, bring his sister number, bring this one number. And I say I no get time. I no get time. Here is as they ask me, I have nothing to say. I can't tell them say he no train my children. Now they come say, where this what about mama? The brother say if he go in mama house, he know they see her for there again. Now I tell them say, now come say he know they there again with what I had. He dey picking house. Epa, now that thing now talk oh. Since there I know they okay oh. I go send you video. They can't just go hire native doctor, make it come the ring bell for my head. Morning, afternoon, evening. Morning, afternoon, evening. You dey here. Person when he be say we fed the Europe together, they don't deport the boy. He get car that time. The who I born for not they he not get car. He not get paper I me. He go use my name buy car. So the car when he be say they buy day, he want sell and join my name. The boy called the breed that come. So I can't go draw the boy day. Did he don't take? The boy called saying use the car to pay for the debt. He not give me the car. He sees the car. Now let me they pay debt. I send some papers put for your debt. Make you they see money. When I day plus they are frustrating my life, you know.
You have been single. You mean you have been a single mother for the past 21 years?
Only me, son, I train picking. Now be evil. If they say they even leave me for good.
You not come marry. You not come marry.
No, that one I marry later, but another thing that one another relationship. Though you know he crashed on the way, but that one another thing entirely. But only me, I just train these children. Come grow like this. Talk.
Sir.
I better explain.
Why you dey do me like this now? First you don already dey comment say you wan go explain. No,
She did tensed. I don't know. This woman is tensed. And for
okay.
that reason, it is difficult for me to understand. That is why you are my
Okay,
PA.
okay. Where you no understand, you ask me.
Upon a
No, not
referral
really.
gone wrong. Like referral gone wrong, you understand?
My PA gonna make me understand. Okay, referral go wrong.
Yes, like
He introduce baby papa brother to person.
person for
Yes.
business.
Okay,
Baby papa
like
person now call lock the money.
He can't thief the money. They say now make the boy they disturb me. Make the brother they disturb me.
how much be the money?
6,500, sir.
Ogbo.
Is that all you have to say?
No, not be
You
all.
say they carry and go juju.
No be no, they can't go carry one of their friends come every day now because they say why me talk for your platform at all. If I want make you know 9 years now this brother don't they disturb me. 9 years now not a talk. They can't go the same person. Make they play juju for my head morning, afternoon, evening. If you want, I'll send all the records come for you.
Yes, send that for me. You know what will happen?
I been at the man, I be this one man.
Who? Which mama?
This one man.
Go up and say, girl, you want to talk.
No, maybe not. I don't know.
I
Make
been like
them come. Make them bring the person come if you get what you want.
This time, €500 or 6.5 million.
6,500 euros, sir. 6,500 euros. The worst thing now be say the cars when they use my name buy, sir. That they pay the debts, all the muta, though you carry muta, they'll leave and put my children, right? Their papa say, my mother they pay debts. One put for your neck. Come to it, he no mind them. If I send some put for that, the outstanding way remain now still almost 9,000. For only one car, only one car let me send you now. This same boy when thief 6,500. So this family, so they still his sister can't deceive me one time. Say he want help me to take the train my children. He want bring 2 people come. The 2 people when he brings sir, they not spend 1 month. 2 of them give me to police. I go prison. I come out. They see that those children for a year and 6 months and 10 days. This man don't look for those children. Only me. I tell you, say this the matter too big. Maybe now 1, 2, 3, 4 you they do one. This one are the first one. The first problem where you're the grass. So now be this boy money.
part 1 episode 1.
They not give them. They not agree talk about the money. They say they don't want. They don't want talk about the money. They are insulting me. I don't know whether they say make I pay. I don't get peace. Now me no can get peace.
Upon one man now you.
Yeah, na me. I almost greet you enoge. Na me get the money.
The baby papa of this woman.
No. Na she introduced me then when a baby papa brother carry my money run, which is 6,500. Me, I reach out to you for WhatsApp enoge. So I tell you the matter and I say I call you personally for WhatsApp.
Which year be that?
That was like 2 months ago now. Me and you talk. You will talk for phone. I send you details. I tell you, I let you
go
know.
on camera.
You know, see the matter. You understand? So at the end of the day now, so it come up to say because me I don't fight this woman. I don't fight her well. You understand? Before me I come up for Italy, come Germany. I don't fight her because the whole thing happened 2017. You understand?
But if you don't come here, bros.
So now 2017 I happen. Just that say I did work now. You understand? So at the time, so the whole thing happened 2017. That was February 22.
One man.
Yeah.
Madam, who they talk to? Madam, how they talk to?
And now the brother be this. Now they disturb me. Oh, now they don't disturb me. Now me call the problem.
You go wait.
Okay.
You go wait.
Now wait. Be say you confirm and say now.
And now the brother that they hold the money. Yes.
Talk to us and they hear you.
So may I talk a bit? Maybe they who me?
No, continue now. Let us talk.
Okay, bro. So, you know, say me I reach out to you, Nogi. I reach out to you, so I can't gist you the matter for WhatsApp. I send you details. Can't say okay, but later on, he can't turn me down based on so many people, you know, I understand. So, but me, I can't still use another mist, which those people now, and I don't the saga, they including this woman, you understand? Because I feel saying a cook case before, like, now Wetin be say, everybody gotta do, you know, because obviously everybody know as Europe be now, that Italy, that time. So now money where I also, and she herself know, she can bear me a living testimony, witness. So based on say trust when I get for her, when she first go Nigeria. So now me I take give her that money. So me I first give her 5K then. So she can't deliver her. So as she can't tell me say, bros, look, oh, I get somebody like this. So not knowing say that man na big takpalakpa no gyoyi. Na him big. Because ego not day your room was 33,000 euro. So my own money was 6,500. So these people so
Epa, answer one question. Now the woman now you give the money to Epa.
the woman, you know the year we do it. I said that the woman introduced me to a baby father, elder brother, say the characters they go Nigeria. That time, you know, if you do pass.
No, they ask you question, bro.
Like when you do the business, so you count the money give her.
After they don't introduce that to you, now the woman you give money, I been a baby papa, elder brother.
Give direct.
Now a baby papa now give direct, but now this woman I be the guarantor because now she sometimes they give her money, make me give the man. Now she me know. So now recently, so since 2017, when me I take the look for all these people, home and abroad. But I later catch their mother. But as I look, say, a more than a very old woman, when I see her for UBTH, they clean ground for inside unit there. So I look and say, the old woman, he not reach to draw for the matter because the day when I see her, I just make sure say they give her a RIP. So based on the way brother country they talk to me, if people country they talk to me, anytime when I take call, they always turn me off of phone, all those kind of things. Now I can't give the matter to people where they will be all those do. You understand? So then I pay those people who can't trace the mother. You understand? Now public for the talk this matter so but these people so I call later say okay, this woman see a condition. Okay, call your pikin. Inside that period so with the stress and everything, na the mother come tell me say my pikin make her not worry, say go suffer pay me the money. So the money where she fit offer for inside was 800 euro. She fit bring 400 euro come.
Out of 6,500.
6,500. She can't offer 800 euro.
Yeah, we need to balance the radio name.
5,700. 5,700, yeah. So then I don't all these people, me I they call them. I go they call them, I not get their contact because now the woman now they call. Me go they call this woman here. Where they Laura John, I go they call her because say I get a contact then. You know, I go they call her, they say, okay, give me these people contact, make I leave it for waste. Because Benin me parable say, I see you.
Yeah.
You understand, bro? Okay. So me don't look for this guy for Torino. He did for Vicelli. This Uyi so now Vicelli in day. He has everything. I don't find out where he will give the
one man, calm down. You know to do this matter now a very easy issue. Madam, you get your baby papa picture number. Sorry, your baby papa picture. Recent one will not be 2005.
I get a picture. I go get a picture. Why me?
You get that brother.
That one they hide, they go for social media. The one where they thief so. That one they hide, they go. But the way my baby papa they behave, you be like all of them be the same.
They're there with me.
Send and give Laura Jonah. This matter is hereby pending. Send me the picture. Send me the WhatsApp. I will call them in the morning. Then I will bring this issue back again in the evening.
Okay.
Since we will do episode 1, episode 2.
No, the thief many pa. Mona no leave. Mona no leave me put.
Epa, baby, you ask this woman one question. Mama,
madam, but I just say we are your madam. But we are tell what I'm mama.
No. Yes, sir.
PA.
No, now the truth you just
ask me question.
Yeah, Mama, my PA been one ask question before, but it's okay, it's fine. Tomorrow.
Okay, see, people they write, people say they know we. People they write, people say they know.
Bros,
okay. You madam, before I will talk, You, madam, you take a very big risk.
Yes, I know.
On the
The first people that someone ever pay me, I not great.
Okay.
Now what I want to talk. If I be one of ask Madam Laura, you get profit for the business when you are this man. Like, do you have any profit? So why did you involve yourself? Why would you be a guarantor?
Because this one
Let's
man,
not betray Pikin.
he get right to the drag you because
Yes,
what you
nah.
No, the family, even they follow me, they quarrel, say, he not get right. Say, na me, Joe, they come, they pull myself. Say, na lie, they talk.
You get right to.
They say, na lie, me, they talk. The one when me born for now, just be the problem now. He just turn to, he say he want by himself, make me no enter Nigeria. Money, they don't want pay. I don't understand.
Madam, you know me.
Okay, where you go to guarantor like that?
Madam, you know me. They never born your baby papa.
Baba, you know,
Don't be my fault, my sister.
See,
Mama,
Don't
baby,
say
they get
person way
upset.
don't born.
One man, me go keep beg you. This woman is stressed out.
maybe
Because
what
you don't stress and tire.
the
Because I know your feeling. Because you utter one statement just now say it be like waiting the plan. Yes, because you're involved with hey. Don't mind involved with baby papa, you know the friend again. It's not the house of Peking.
Epa, maybe they said they'll settle.
Yeah, okay, my PA. What time? If I say they go settle. If I say you go and say you and your baby papa go settle. Or you yeah, we'll go with your name. But I need your baby papa's picture. The elder brother. Can that boy we are even done in the other.
Bless our swear for Rita. Rita, now they call me again.
Please, I beg you, in the name of God. Jonah, Mama, this matter.
me, yeah, picture me, Baba. I will send that to.
Wait, one man.
I
That's
deal with you.
that 10,700 now. If I help you draw, how much you want to pay me?
Okay. You know, say this matter, the matter will be say.
I don't know only Natalie. Natalie private.
If I not allow, now work with this so.
Bros, tell me how much you got out of the 5,700.
Bros, if you help me draw, I will give you 1,000 euro. What you say?
Thank God na public you for talk. I bet Mojo to that and down.
No.
One man.
Because this woman show will be here, so bros. May I tell you something?
Mama, hello, Adamio. You first give me 200 euro first too. You come be balance 800.
Baba, that is why I say I should bring this matter come here, so. I don't lie you.
Una two go share on 200 euro.
I don't lie you.
Because before I start this kind of matter, talk at the end.
See, I don't lie you, bros. Person way he keep quiet for 9 years. What the reason now? This one abroad now. You know understand? So not be job, not be person this so they also all those kind of things. And this money that time, she herself even know the way it was one. But based on the trust, everything, you know, you bring the person, you say a very straightforward person, you talk so many things. At the end, no, you say that person, he even the corner you. Because since when this matter don't start, now I know say they don't even get peace of love for these people. They even want me even kill this woman. They even want even the last call where we make when I say go give her to another presenter where I take drag him, papa drag him, mama, even papa picture, everything, late father picture, everything they with me. Because now family thing, the brother so this who you so the matter be say, he don't use this money so take carry 3 of your brother go abroad. His senior brother they UK. So he don't use people
Bros,
money.
We get on that topic. Wait. Who want to pay me the 200 now? You want to make this woman pay the 200 now, be?
No. She not got to pay. I will pay you the 200 euro. That will not be stressed. I will pay you. But
you get my number.
I just want to see. I don't reach out to you for WhatsApp now. We don't talk.
Okay, I beg you go voice me again. Send me my account. You go first put the 2H. Then, if I don't help you draw the 5,007, you go pay me the 800. And because I get foundation, may I still put small for foundation, make I take the rest. You understand? I'm not going to offer fair this fight for you for free. That's why they try for you.
No, bros, I not say me you fight for free. You know
They
like
know
I
they
not
hear,
just
oh. This family
I
where
not
they
just say
look
me
so.
fight am for free.
They know they hear, oh.
Laura,
Sir.
we kwe yime o. You know me.
Ije wa mi mi ni ema eh. Iya wa mi ni ema eh. They say they not get wetin they don't know.
Yeah. Wazegbe.
Nothing. I mean, your pani ema ewu me. You go hear story, you go tire. Who where that's when?
Make I
Me
send
me
it
so
to
avie o sanoromo runi agbeye mana mawe.
Don't worry. As far that you have cried to me, madam, and as
That's
far you are not telling lies, as far you are not telling
No,
me
no, wetin I
lies.
want life for. No. I dey go factory, I'll still go do extra work. The most painful things that I use it to pay bills. I use it to pay fines for these people.
Can you imagine?
I come Europe, accident when I get for Europe, now be that man. My papa, I become Europe, may I better my family. If
You
not
see
that
why they
I'm
support
strong, I
single
for not
mother?
get anything at all.
Me don't
You
go,
see why
me
they
don't go,
support
I
single
don't go
mother?
disgrace this woman for church when she dey go deeper life. All those people, so these people, because
They are so heartless.
the reason why be say I make this woman, I make her understand. Say, okay, now give me these people contact. Why you can't they keep their contact? Why they sit down on top of their contact? And you know, say me now I not fit reach them, and I only their mother now I get their contact. So you give their
Amen.
contact. So see, all these 9
Amen.
years, for not drop my money
Amen.
since now.
Mama, otimano kona
I dey hear
yo
you.
igbe. Oh ya to tanya no ba. When I
Ubege,
feel
Baba.
where na kwen.
If I
Let me
don't
learn.
say man no bad name, why I no quick give am? Now this problem why I can't they pass through. Now I know as they be, I know as I take come up for that house.
So
I know as they be. It get some people, if you all know, say they
wait to
be
like it
problem.
today now. Like it today now. They never say they take care of the pikin. The two children.
The man even come lie now. As he see say, I don't build my children because two of my children now, they drive, if they get cars. He not come no lie when he want lie again. He say he train the children. He say he train the children. He even donate put money for my house,
Brother,
make I
wait.
take back car.
As a single mother, your two kids don't they drive.
Yes, now. My daughter is reading mathematics.
Single mothers.
Yes,
Wow.
now 3 cars they my house. No matter how the car be, we be
When
3
they
cars.
single mother, we don't like go. When they single mother, when I can see wetin you use the children do now. I not tell una say single mothers, they are strong women. Only she, 2 kids. Today they are driving, they have lessons in Italy, they have cars. Or pronounce this woman they pay bills. You will be single mother when they cry because
I go show you all wetin I dey pay every month. You go, Epa, you go shock. You go shock. Say this kind of thing dey happen. If I just sit down, as I dey talk to you, say if I dey work, I'll just dey reason now.
see, I beg you, I want to invest you. No overthink, oh, may you not go get high blood pressure. Oh.
The debt is too much. The debt too
understand.
much. At least since then they do, I no even worry them. Because I know say if I go ask them the money, now fight, we go dey fight. You get. But yet, now they constantly they fight me. I don't know whether they be want me I pay this one man. I don't know where they say me I see money. Huh?
Where's the oh madam? No. Where's Damio?
Huh?
I am proud of you that as a single mother, you could able to achieve something for your kids. Don't be surprised. I wish you did with your baby father if those children for never did
No,
try.
therefore not to. Did that man.
Okay.
Not be thief, therefore teach them.
I know better. When I see the way Italian and do a drive.
No, my children, they 17, I'll put them for driving school. They 18, they'll do exam.
Wow.
Now so I take one. Because I know say now only me. I know say where leg not they reach, car they reach, and when people not they see work, then me and they see. Because of the car when I get.
I want me to advise single mother small like 2 minutes before we went on another topic. May they still learn from you. Because I stand by will not be for math.
No, me I they always tell women. Anybody who don't see me for platform, though they never see me for like this, I know they too come. I do advise women, if you jam any man when no one take care of your child, not channel your energy to the fight them. Because by the time you channel your energy to the fight them, you go distract. Because any man when no one take care of his pikin, not be you go make him take care of his pikin, it's already a nuisance. You channel your energy, go build yourself first. Make sure say you stand, put your leg for ground. I dey always tell women, I don't know how you go take be single mother. Even man go toast you, say, give me transport fare. You have to stand. You go there, okay. If man say one friend you, the man go call your ass because you know if you leave your comfort zone, your children need to have their rooms, have their house. Don't they okay? So not channel your energy on a man when not serious for life. Because many men, they're not yet ready, but we still have gallant men when know what it do. So our sisters, once you don't dey born, any woman at all, whether single or not, once you don't dey born, make yourself available, be strong. Because anything can happen. What about the man not their life? Me, I take my own like it don't buy. That make I feel take care of my kids. Because if your children fail, they'll come tell you say na because your papa not dey there. If you have sense as a single mother, do everything possible to make your children not fail. Because if they fail, here when they tell I work, okay, to say papa join. Now because papa not join. My children are very quiet. Ask one man. My son, he go there this house since morning, no go talk. Nobody they see my children for outside, don't say see what they do. You know they suffer, they live their life, they go. They don't smoke, they don't drink. You know they sit there for any wayward place. As we they talk now of the days house, as they grow rich now, they even they train their junior sister. So a single mother, you need to be strong. No, they cry. All this cry, they're not trying to keep for me. You know, call for. You can do it. If I did it, you can do it. May I tell you now, when I come out for prison, no work, no document. I do shorty for years. They take care of my children. When men they do, and me go enter streets. Even when they say they not give me paper, now police tell they say this woman I'm gonna give them back paper. We they see her for streets. She's a strong woman. It took me 1 year and 6 months and 10 days to take my children back from government. Government sees my children and when they go prison. This man not ask of the children one day. He not ask of them. But I come out, I fight. Now me train them. And they still there with me until they buy their own house, they okay. They can't leave my house. It's not possible. No one go come up from my house say he want rent. It's not possible. It's not possible. Their papa when they misbehave, he not get license so. He not get license so. That's why they fight us. He never still get the license of Europe. He say we know. So be strong. No, if they say they don't want to take care of children for now.
You know, how many years you spend for prison, madam?
Just 3 months and Wetin I supposed to stay many years. 3 days to 3 months. 3 days to 3 months. Wow, he boy just show up for me. He saying they find me, they go in go station. They tell and say, see where this person dey. He just show up. When there was, I had nobody. Nobody asked of me. Nobody writes me. They leave me inside as they take plan and put me. They thought I go buy. No. When I saw that man, I was just crying. That's why I take come out. That's why I take begin they fight them for outside. They fight them. They'll look my character, they come they change them to night. After they'll change them to sign. Today I can go to Questura, I can go to Prefectura, I can go and translate for anybody. I can go anywhere. I'm respected because I accept my crime. I not draw Italy, I not disturb them. Because I don't know. Now this useless man so now put me for that crime. So if they choose man, more than choose man where I was 20 when I know him. 20. It destroyed my age, my life, my youth.
My fact they ask you say wetin led you to prison. If now what they go say you learn.
Yes, I said it before. Now people will bring come. If people come tell me say they want help me. They want help me. If one of the auntie when they play with me, no say we both they give me money. He say want help me. These people so when you don't know, they don't get visa, but he no get money to process her. Now I go carry money give her. He carry the con just 1 month, 2 of them, not be even one.
Shit.
Till today or Erepa no give. They not show me their house. This same family. They not show me their house. Even my money went there with that auntie, so he still they deny. The same family. I be just they take my say okay, go finish. Wetin make me cry come out after 21 years. If these people go wicked like this, if they be like this, I'm afraid. Yes, my brother, that is crime. Yes, it's crime. I was young in this country. It took me 4 years and almost 5 years to get documents. Our time not be una time. Our time not be una time. Una when you come now come abroad. Our time, you go there, hide, they go. If you dey sick, if you know if you go hospital. Go and ask question. You are forced to leave, do anything. Now, wait till the guy introduced me put. That was now so I take see myself for that. Like, I did more than that. If you want to know.
The single mothers that are watching this program,
I did more than
I hope
that.
you have learned 1 or 2 from this lady.
Nothing when I know they do a part. They do 8 hours as I did here, 9 hours, 10 hours. If I still come back, I'll go do cleaning. Sunday I dey work. Ask this guy. As of today, I'm 46, but I still work and work and work. I go use and pay B, I use and pay B for these people.
Jesus Christ.
I'll use and they pay B. This Atlas family, they still get mad. Still they point me figure. Even his sister for Nigeria tell me say I can never have peace. He said because now me fair do why I go talk for Yori. Now say 9 years dead. Are you joking? He said whether I me start and when they not train picky for.
You know what? It's okay. One man, I beg. Now with this matter, don't reach my table. No stress her again. I will take it up from here. I go fight for her. I not go fight for her. But for she to be a single mother that have trained her kids for more than 21 years, and those children are doing excellently well, I will take it upon myself to look for how we can be able to put smiles on her face. Madam, try me call me tomorrow. Thank you so much for encouraging the single mothers out there. Thank you. God bless you. One more. When you guys,
Mr. Nogi, go and we pitching a lot, na posting na ujinya hin because I understand. Where women we pitch all that because the meso kona ewe because understand because
one mother would they pity the woman power say.
No, she don't try. She don't try because since all those years, those people they sit down on top of their contact. Since we don't give me the allocation, I don't see my action when we don't.
I don't get peace again, sir.
So
this day, now so what a man can do.
I should just see the thought since I just keep quiet. You understand? Because you suppose no say person way he no say gone they hot for body. You know fair, you know go use and take shoot the neighbor because if they shoot them back, you go know the pain where they. Everybody knows say this Europe not be easy thing. So many of my friends in a campus not to know this matter. So now just me and she now and one Mama Charity will get Africa shop for Alexandra. Now I know this matter because I don't really get people when I want to. I not be social media person. You understand? So and they follow this so-called Uyi so a month that they doing all this while. So no response, nothing have changed. So right now, me don't get the location of where this Uyi brother so good house.
Mama, don't worry. Me you write me now, mama.
Me can't be good Baba. We ma reply. Hey, what
where I give me? I make a problem now. Go na yane bagmo. Oh, I eat 2 men. Tori.
Oh, yane. I really know what about bros.
No for face the people who shop your money.
Even yani tapa okpa we run normal day yo because our men saw we were together in Alexandra then. So not true.
Yeah, it's okay.
But
just go down.
Okay.
Madam.
Sir. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Imoboji win now because by 7 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to call you by 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 4.
Okay, I'll come at 2 o'clock. I don't come at. Not 12 to finish. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, and thank you for giving me ears. Mama Nora, thank you, Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, viewers. Thank you.
Yes.
If they don't they say the 200 for foundation, quick correct them now.
No, the 200 euro is not for foundation. Now when he go bring the 800, I'll put 200 euro for foundation, then I'll take the 600. The money is for me to fast for them. Understand? But they all they talk. I know what they try right, but it's okay. Thank you so much, Laura.